Hi everyone, I've got a Renault Clio here on a 2010 1.5 DCI diesel. Basically, I've just done the service. I've reset the service light as well, but for the procedure, how to reset it, it's just right here. This is the Renault 3, as you can see, 1.5. Now what you need to do is switch the ignition on, wait for 3 seconds, or wait for the service light to come on. Basically, that's the procedure right there. Now figure 107288 A or B is just on the display, and then you've got A or B until the main display. Press and hold button A, which is right there on the side of the stalk. Right there, that's where you need to press, basically up and down. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch the ignition on, wait for it. Right at the top there, you'll see when the oil light comes on, it's already been reset, so it won't come on. So when I get to this, all I didn't do is press the up button there. I press it again. Now it says service due in 12,000 miles. Press and hold the button again. You'd see that flashing in a minute. As you can see, is there flashing now. That's it, stops flashing. Let go of the button, switch the ignition off, switch it back on. Your service light is reset. All done. Thank you very much. Goodbye.